Mayamang buhay at masaganang pamumuhay mga channel viewers ng Health, Wealth, and Life Basics. Ang aking pong props ngayon is the winning attitude. Way back in August 2024 when I started my channel during the last week of August, ako po ay nagbigay ng 10 tips on how to have a balanced life. Balance means ikaw ay spiritually nourished, physically, mentally, and emotionally nourished. But, do you agree that everything comes in the mind? Yun yung sabi ng Biblia, as the man thinketh, so is he. So, kung ikaw po ay nag-iisip ng mga negatibo, lahat po ay negative ang makikita sa ating kapaligiran. Now, may dalawang istorya niyan about two prisoners who have the opportunity to go up. Gagamit po sila ng chair para makita yung window at sa labas makikita nila sa abot ng matatanaw nila. Ang isa po ay nakamatay or criminal, pinatay niya ang kanyang pamilya lahat. Ang isa naman ay magnanakaw. So they were both in one cell and then they can have a glimpse of the outside world through a small window that they have to climb the chair. So, unahin po natin yung murderer na pinatay ang lahat ng kanyang family members. So, nakita niya ang labas ng bintana and then bumaba siya. Ang second prisoner na number 1 magnanakaw ay tiningnan din ang labas. So, when they sat down together, tinanong muna magtanong si magnanakaw doon sa murderer. Sabi niya, ano bang nakita mo, kakusa? Sabi niya, ang kitid ng bintana, hindi ko makita ang buong environment sa labas at ang nakita ko lang nag-iisang niyog na walang bunga at tuyo na ang lupa. May 2 aso na nag-aaway pa. Pagkatapos, may nakita ako na bata na hinahabol ng kaniyang nanay. Pasaway yung bata na yon. And then, doon sa background, ang ingay ng train na dumadaan. Wala kang makita kung hindi puro walang kakwenta-kwentang bagay. So, ikaw, ano ang nakita mo? Sabi ni kriminal na murderer. Sabi ng pangalawa, nakita ko yung mga grass na tuyo na pero pausbong dahil malapit na ang rainy season. So, hindi ko nakita yung bata pero narinig ko ang boses ng pamilya na naghahalakhakan sa other side, and ang niyog ay green naman kahit wala pang bunga, pero may mga flower siyang maliliit na possible na mag-sprout into coconut fruit. So, ang train, ang daming nakasakay and bagong pinta ang train, and although the sound is the same sa train, kaya lang ang sound ay signal na siya ay maganda ang movement ng train at napaka-speed ng movement. So, this is a classic example of how we internalize the things around us. Kung paano natin i-interpret sa ating pag-iisip ang mga nangyayari sa atin. When I had my COVID way back 2021, Delta ang una kong COVID kasi 2 times akong na-COVID. It so happened at that time, that was September 6, 2021, ay araw-araw po yung katabi kong room ay patay. Oo. I have seen the whale, yung sinasabi sa Biblia, nag-gnashing and wailing, during which time that you are to die. Narinig ko po yan. And then I have seen in my door na ang patay po na inilalabas sa kabilang kwarto dahil nagdadaan sa aking kwarto ay balot po ng puting kumot, and lahat po ng mga aids na ilalagay siya sa backhoe, kasi binabakho po dahil walang crematorium sa area where I was working, ay binabakho lang po at inililibing doon sa ground na wala man lang rites or prayers na naibigay doon sa namatay. It was gloomy, but even yung aking mga aides, mga nurses, mga nagtitake care sa akin, parang mga astronaut. I could have surrendered. My husband was away from me, nandito po sa akin sa residence namin. I was very far away. Ang aking trabaho po ay 3 beses kang sasakay ng eroplano bago mo ako marating sa site, at nasa bundok pa ang aking manufacturing firm. In short, wala po talagang nagbabantay sa akin, and all the people then were so busy taking care of patients and of course surviving not to be exposed to the COVID. I could have surrendered also. I could have negotiated with my God na sana, but I did not do that. I am lucky to have this book, The Winning Attitude, na ako po ay kalmado. Ang BP ko ay the same sa blood pressure ko, 110/80, at nasyashock sila, hindi nag-elevate ang aking blood pressure. Ako po ay sinalinan ng 5 days ng remdesivir in order to, pero nung 5th day na po, nag-back down na yung aking kamay, hindi na po nag-accept ang aking vein. I remember my dad died because na-opera din siya, at nung hindi na nagpapasok ang needle, ang IV sa kanya, ay namatay po siya. So, I knew that when my veins collapsed, I am a candidate to die. I'm very glad yung aking pinaka-lowest lang sa oxygen ay 92%. So that was good. My BP was not shooting up. I am not diabetic. Ano po ang aking binabalik-balikan lang? I just said, Lord, I submit to thy will, but I know I'm going to heal. Balik lang ng balik yan hanggang ako ay makatulog. Hindi po ako nakakatulog actually kasi yung tulog ko tulog manok kasi hindi nga ako nakakahinga. At bawat ubo ko po, nakakaihi po ako sa sakit ng aking lalamunan at parang hindi po talaga pumapasok ang hangin sa aking baga. So, I was confined Sunday, 1/4 na lang sa 2 lungs ko, bali 3/4 na lang ang wala ng, clouded na siya, 1/4 na lang ang gumagana. So, wala pong lunas. I don't know if Remdesivir did a thing, but I know there was no improvement at all. Kayo po na COVID, alam nyo kung paano, lalo na pag na-Delta kayo, kung paano ang effect ng COVID na kahit anong higa mo, upo mo, pag nakaubo ka, nakakaihi ka. It was so scary. I was listening to the crying of the other patients in the other rooms. And all of them in my 8 days sa hospital, 8 din po ang patay. Isa ang patay kada araw. So, but I did not stop. 2 beses pa rin ako, ang tigas ng ulo ko talaga. Naliligo po talaga kasi ang init, walang aircon. Ang init ng higaan dahil naka-leather yung bedsheet. I was glad I was served by a very good person na aking personal assistant. Talagang 2 times akong magpalit ng aking bedsheet dahil kahit anong gawin ko na may napkin or may pasador ako, pag nakaubo talaga, grabe, nakakaihi talaga ako. But I have been repeating this thought. I am healed, I am healed, I am healed. I'm not afraid. If God is with me, nothing will go against me. Ganun lang. Kayo, kahit ano ang kalagayan nyo ngayon, I know you will survive if you will just have an open heart and an open mind. Everything precedes in the mind. Whatever your thoughts are, sana hindi it's raining every day or raindrops keep falling on my head. Sana hindi ganyan ang utak nyo, but ang kanta nyo dapat sa araw-araw is that what a wonderful world it is. Diba? Or anything that is positive. Gusto ko din yung unstoppable na music. If you're down, you just try to play those lyrics and songs so that it will get into your psyche. Wag po kayo kahit yung mga separation ng relationship with a spouse, yung mga children nyo, you pray for them. I don't know if you believe in rosary, but I just believe that if you keep repeating and having faith, everything will go well. Thank you for listening. The winning attitude is simply to put into your subconscious that you will win in life, and then you will achieve whatever you want to achieve in life. Be it business, be it money, resolve the money that you have as a problem right now, relationship. Huwag niyong pilitin ang isang taong ayaw na sa'yo, and please do not push yourself to people who do not like you. Distance yourself, at yun ang sinasabi ko, dapat may sarili kang hanap buhay at pera para hindi ka nagdedepende sa iba. Thank you for listening.